Hi children, let's read sound of double S. D-R-E-double-S, dress. C-H-E-double-S, chess. P-R-E-double-S, press. B-L-E-double-S, bless. A-double-S, ass. G-L-A-double-S, glass. C-L-A-double-S, class. G-R-A-double-S, grass. T-O-double-S, toss. L-O-double-S, loss. C-R-O-double-S, cross. P-R-E-double-S, press. G-R-O-double-S, gross. A-C-R-O-double-S, across. M-I-double-S, miss. H-I-double-S, hiss. K-I-double-S, kiss. F-E-double-S, fess. N-E-double-S, ness. C-E-double-S, cess. P-A-double-S, pass. M-A-double-S, mass. B-R-A-double-S, brass. L-E-double-S, less. M-E-double-S, mess. G-U-E-double-S, guess. T-O-double-S, toss. C-O-M-P-A-double-S, compass. C-O-M, P-A-double-S, pass. It becomes compass. C-L-A-double-S, class. B-O-double-S, boss. L-O-double-S, loss. G-L-O-double-S, gloss. Thank you, children.